Surfaces that people physically touch are called contact surfaces. A large proportion of infectious diseases can be spread via contact surfaces. For example, it has been discovered that through one contaminated contact surface, an infectious disease can transmit to up to 14 people. In the US, a study was conducted in one office with 80 people, where they contaminated one person's hand and one door push plate. After 4 hours, more than 50% of the surfaces inspected in the office were contaminated. When employees were trained on how to avoid spreading microorganisms and wash their hands properly, the spread of the virus decreased 6-fold. Therefore, people's awareness and effective cleaning of contact surfaces are important. Paying attention to contact surfaces is essential in every cleaning cycle. It is critical to identify all the places that people touch. The level of dirtiness of contact surfaces differs from situation to situation. In the experiments of the PandemicClean project, it turned out that the dirtiest contact surfaces were, for example, the tap handle and toilet seat in a toilet, the dining room chair armrest and sofa armrest in a kindergarten, the bed armrest and TV remote in a nursing home resident's room, the edges of students' desks and the teacher's desk in a classroom, the edge of a desk and door handle in an office. These contact surfaces were not visibly dirty, but organic dirt samples yielded measurement results that exceeded 20 times the permissible limits. It is recommended to determine contact surfaces in a particular room. When cleaning contact surfaces, it is important that the cloth is microbiologically clean. The cloth is suitably moistened, for example 50 milliliters per cloth. The exact amount of liquid should be tested in each particular situation. Sufficient force is applied when wiping. Moving from one surface to another, the clean side of the cloth is turned, and the hand is placed on the clean side of the cloth. Find all the contact surfaces in the room. Clean them effectively during every cleaning cycle.